trade I want is the short, whether that's a bounce up into this, a bounce up into that. I don't care. It's just I want to get a good setup against the short. So if we break the 25 area, break that 23.65, we just can't hold it in the first 5 minutes. Just have to see what that price action is looking like. If it doesn't look like the bull's gonna be able to hold it and get some kind of relief rally this morning, we're gonna be headed south. And here's the picture, the trend picture that I'm really focused on is like I showed you in the meeting last night, right? And that just pops right into that freaking short setup. Come on.
Order filled.
I set an order out. I got enough of a bounce to get filled now. If we don't break 4,300 in this hour, I'm gonna look to peel a little bit of this off, but otherwise I'm gonna just keep my stop where it's at. Get a good 5 points out of these right now, or close to it.
Order filled.
So I'm expecting a bounce off that 94. So, I've taken profits there. If we break down, I got a little skin left in the game here still, and I can, just look to get another strike on, start adding to this winner. It's dying. Let's go 75. We're coming up on the end of that 15. It's time to take some profits.